Want to send messages on Threads? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to message someone on the Threads app step by step. First, open the Threads app and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, go to your followers or following list and open the profile of the person you want to message. Here's something important. Threads currently does not have a built-in direct messaging feature. Instead, you'll need to message people through Instagram. On the person's profile, tap on the Instagram icon at the top right corner. This will automatically open their Instagram profile. From there, tap on the message button, and now you can send them a direct message easily. So yeah, that's currently the easiest way to send messages on Threads using Instagram DMs. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Threads app tips and tutorials.